and welcome to session 1 of week 3 of the year 3 home maths learning resources. I'm Miss Heeks and I'm going to be guiding you through today's session. This session is all about subtracting 3-digit numbers. So at the top of the screen you will see a calculation. It's a 3-digit take away a 3-digit number. Okay, so you will see the place value grid as well here at the top. And we have made the first number. So the first number is 264. And what we're going to do underneath is we're going to subtract the second number. So in the second number we can see there are 100, 3 tens and 3 ones. So what we are going to be doing is taking those away from each of the columns. So we're going to start by taking the ones away. Okay, so we're taking away 3 ones. So those 3 ones are gone, so we won't count them anymore. Okay, then we need to move to the next column. So we need to take away 3 tens. And then finally, we're going to take away 100. So to find out our answer, we need to count what is left. So we can see we have 100, 3 tens, and 1 1. So our answer is 131. Okay, so it's your chance to have a go at the calculation now. So pause the video and have a go at answering 264 take away 141. Okay, so let's look at the answer. Because the second number is 141, that's what we're going to be taking away from the first number. So here's what we're going to be taking away from each column. So we've got 1 1 to take away, we've got 4 tens to take away, and 100. So our answer should be 123. Okay, so moving on then. So what we want to be doing by the end of the session is solving these types of calculations mentally. Okay, so rather than using the pictorial representations to help us, we're going to solve them in our head. So we're going to begin by looking at the ones. So we can see we've got 3 ones, take away 1 1. So overall at the end we are left with 2 ones. Okay, so that 2 ones is starting to make the first part of our answer. So once we've looked at our ones, we're going to move on to our tens. So 2 tens take away 1 10, which leaves us with 1 10. And then finally we look at our hundreds and we can see we've got 4 hundreds, take away 3 hundreds, which leave us with 100. So our answer is 112. Okay, so now it's your turn. So using the same method as I just showed you, you need to pause the video and have a go at solving this calculation. Okay, so hopefully you've had a chance to have a go. So you should have started with your ones. So we can see we've got 4 ones, take away 2 ones. So we had 2 ones left over. Then we have 6 tens, take away 5 tens, which leaves me with 1 10. And then we've got 500, take away 300, which leaves us with 200s. So your answer should be 212. So here is your activity for you to have a go at today. So if you managed to print off the sheet, just write straight onto the sheet. If you didn't, don't worry. Grab that scrap paper, pens, pencils, whatever it is you've got at home. Copy the questions down and then have a go at answering them. Okay, so pause the video, pop back when you're done and we will go through the answers. So here are today's answers. Pause the video, check them against yours and see how you got on. Thank you for joining in with today's session and I hope you enjoyed the activity. Come back for session 2 where we will apply the skills of some reasoning and some problem solving. Don't forget to share your work with your teachers via your virtual learning platform, as I'm sure they would love to see what you have been up to. And I will see you for session 2 very, very soon.